Since so many people on TikTok asked me how I did this animation, here's a very quick video on how I did that. Enjoy watching! Have you ever wondered how your phone knows when to rotate the screen, or how drones maintain stability in the air? The secret lies in roll and pitch angles, two key measurements that define orientation. Today I'll show you how to calculate them using an acceleration sensor. Stick around for the full explanation and code so you can try it yourself. Let's start with a quick demo. I have an acceleration sensor right here, and as I tilt it, you can see the real-time roll and pitch angles visualized in this animation. By the end of this video, you will be able to build this yourself. I will even upload the code. If you're interested, please consider supporting me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you. To get started, you will need an acceleration sensor like the ADXL345 and an Teensy 4.0 or an Arduino or a similar microcontroller. And that's it. Before diving into the code, let's quickly define roll and pitch. Imagine an airplane. Roll is the rotation around the x-axis, tilting left or right. Pitch is the rotation around the y-axis, tilting up or down. Using these formulas, we can calculate the roll and the pitch angle with the data from the acceleration sensor. I will not talk about the code too much, since I use the library and it's very self-explaining. The most important part is the calculation of the roll and the pitch angle, as you can see here. For this, we need our x, y and z accelerations from the sensor. After calculating the roll and the pitch angle, we just need to use a low-pass filter to smooth out the data. Just keep in mind, when using a low-pass filter, the data will be delayed a bit, as you can see here. To visualize the data, you need a software called Processing. This software allows you to use the sensor data to animate the tilt of the sensor. Here's the code. You basically just need to define an object, or in my case a few objects that you want to animate, and then you will take the measured data and use it to rotate those objects. And that's it. If you don't understand the code or still have questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. You could also copy my code and ask ChatGPT. This should work without a problem. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.